everybody, Mike here. So we just got a new Milwaukee shop vac in at work today. So I thought I'd bring this thing home real quick and do a quick review on this. If you're a Milwaukee tool user and you don't have one of these, it'll operate on just any of your regular M18 drill batteries. So I've got a 5 amp hour battery here with me today. Real quick look on the outside, you got your power button on the top. On one side here, this will be your exhaust port, or if you hook your hose up to it, it'll blow air out of your hose. On each side here, you've got these locking tabs. So you open this up, that is where all your dirt, debris, and water will go as you're using this. You got a filter here on the top, so it'll just twist off for easy cleaning. You can put that right back on there, or get your replacement filter if you need it. So this is super easy to clean out, or you can take a hose to it, rinse that canister out as needed. Now on the front here, you got your 2 locking tabs. Pop those open, and this is where your hose will conveniently store, along with your 2 attachments it comes with. So you got your wide utility tool here, and here's your crevice tool. And I really like the fact that these store and lock in here so nice and neat. And your hose just curls up here like this, shuts up. Tote it around like a toolbox. Right here's your hole for your battery. Snap that dude in. Let's drag our hose out like so. Lock that back up. And we're ready to use this. Here's your attachment that comes on the end of the hose, and then that's where you'll put your other 2 tools. Sound-wise, it's no different than any other shop vac. Actually, it's probably a little bit quieter than my big shop vac I've got that I've had for years. So if you need to use the blowing feature instead of the vacuum on this, just twist this little tab here. It unlocks. You slide this around to this side, push it in, twist it, lock. Now it's locked in. And now we're blowing air. So as you can see, this thing's actually pretty neat. It's a really versatile, easy to carry around tool. That's why I really like this thing at work going in and out of job sites. It's been extremely nice to have. That's why we picked up another one so we can put it in a different vehicle. And the other thing too that we use this on a lot, we have to pull strings through duct, PVC pipes for pulling wire. If you're a contractor, you may have done this before, but if you tie a piece of string around a plastic grocery bag, stick that on one end of the pipe, and then you hook your vacuum hose up to the other end and turn on the vacuum feature, it'll suck that bag all the way through your pipe and pull your pull string at the same time. We use this for that quite a bit as well. It works great for that. So this thing's got a 2-gallon capacity down here at the bottom. I haven't really used it much on water, although it will do that feature. We love these things at work. We use them quite a bit. It's just an easy drag in, drag out, no cord required situation. And with us already using the Milwaukee lineup at work as well, it was a no-brainer. We can just use the batteries we already were using for the drills and impacts and whatnot.